Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. Today I want to continue with my frequently asked questions. Before I get to that, I want to let you know if you would like to speak with me by phone or video chat, I am available at frankbrunolaw.com. Staying with the theme of living or lifetime or revocable trusts. What are the benefits? Certainly, there are benefits of a revocable trust. You should consider certain factors, such as whether a revocable trust makes sense for you and why. So let me discuss the benefits. The first benefit of a revocable living trust: you avoid court meddling. One of the primary aspects of a revocable trust is the courts are typically not involved with living lifetime trusts. Many people, you and me both, desire to avoid court involvement in their affairs. I don't want the court involved in my life. I'd like to avoid government involvement. And that means avoiding court involvement in the distribution and division of assets. Really, involving the court in any process causes delay of distributing assets. It could result in higher legal fees. Right? Just let's avoid them when we can. Establishing a living trust or a lifetime trust or a revocable trust, different terms, all for the same document. A trust may eliminate the need for this court intervention. So just be aware that certain counties may require you to disclose the existence of a revocable trust in the event that you actually ever have to ultimately file for probate. And that might be because of some after-obtained property. But just because you disclose this doesn't mean that you're required to get letters of trusteeship for the trust. Letters of trusteeship, it's a tongue-tire, isn't necessary when you have a trustee. The second benefit of a revocable living trust: ease of administration. Having a living trust allows you to place all of your assets, regardless of size or type or shape, into the trust, thereby creating one general operating trust. For example, you can have properties located across several state lines and they can all go in the trust. And I always tout this benefit. Ownership of multiple properties across state lines causes multiple probates and fees unless you have a trust. The second benefit of revocable living trust is that you won't need to go to each state to obtain the authority to be a fiduciary. Right, so it happens a lot in New York. We'll have an owner of a property here in one of the boroughs, or Nassau or Suffolk, and they'll also own a summer place in the Hamptons, which we're okay there, but sometimes other people have a summer place in the Jersey Shore or a Pennsylvania house. Well, if you own all three of those things, it would involve 3 probates, and 1 probate and an ancillary probate. So if you have that situation, if you'd like to speak to me about it, please go to Call Frank Bruno to make an appointment. Thank you very much.